Well, I guess Resource Capital Fund has been around since 1998. We were actually one of the first funds just focused on the mining side. We started with a small fund, and just to make a long story short, we currently are in our sixth fund. It's a $2 billion fund, and I guess our expertise has always come from the mining side. We are around 80 people around the globe. Most of our employees actually they come from the mining industry. I mean, before going into the fund, they have spent time in mining operations. So we feel comfortable again with the mining industry. We have the track record, and we definitely have the expertise in house. I guess first of all, high quality assets. I mean, I think the nowadays actually shows that with the current sort of commodity prices, the assets that they will survive are definitely the high quality assets. So first of all, high quality assets, and second of all, definitely management. We, as I said before, we're 80 people around the globe. We have many existing portfolio companies, and we help them actually mostly from the board level. So we rely a lot in the management teams of the company. So we look for management teams with track record and that they're able to execute their strategies. Well, Latin America, reality, it's a big region. Each country has its own sort of dynamics. Defining countries, I think, it's tough to say. The only thing that I would say is we try to look for countries where we feel comfortable with the mining regulation. The countries that also has good infrastructure, they have good, again, capital markets. So it's pretty broad. I mean, definitely we're spending a lot of time in Chile, Brazil, Peru, but we're also spending a lot of time in Ecuador, Mexico, Colombia, Argentina. So we don't have actually sort of like countries that are our preferences. I mean, we just covering and trying to look for opportunities pretty much all around the region. Well, we have been coming, as you said, to GFC for the last 3 years. It's a great sort of venue to meet everyone in the region in just 2 days. So it's very convenient, obviously, for us to come over here, and also the different sessions and the different speakers are definitely very knowledgeable in their respective areas. So it's good also to catch up with the views in things that probably we're not actually seeing on a daily basis. I mean, just actually hearing the speech of Frank Holmes in the morning was actually quite impressive. So glad to be here, and again, it's a great venue to meet everyone in just 2 days.